Who are you and what are you studying in Turkey?
I am Ömer Erdem Ahsen. I'm 23. I'm an intern at ZEKI. I study computer engineering in Middle East University, Turkey.
Why did you decide to do an internship in Germany?
Because last year I was in Germany, also with an Erasmus program for 6 months. I learned a little bit of German there, and I decided to continue learning it. So right now I'm back at Germany again.
What are your tasks and projects at ZEKI?
So currently I'm in ZEKI project, and we're trying to do a chatbot that teaches AI using AI. So yeah, this is it.
What do you like most about your work here?
I think the flexibility is the best thing about working hours, and also the place. Since it's a hybrid internship, I can work from home, I can work from office, and also, like I said, the working hours is great. Like, I can work whenever I want. I can come to office in a more flexible way, and I like it.
What have you learned so far, or what new skills have you acquired?
For the back end, I learned Flask, and also for the front end, I learned Vue. Before I came here, I knew a little bit of Git, but right now, I know Git better. And also, using Hugging Face and other AI tools, I learned a lot about AI.
How do the universities in Turkey and Germany differ?
I believe in Turkey, the theoretical part of education is much heavier. You have to do harder tasks. But in Germany, it's a little bit more interactive. So I believe in Germany, the education is a little bit better because you basically get prepared for the real life experience.
What did you find better or more interesting in Germany?
I think the best thing about Germany is the railway system. With like a ticket, you can just move to every city you want for a cheap price, and I like it. I used it a lot going through close cities to Berlin, so it was cool.
Why should other students do an internship at ZEKI?
Because in ZEKI, most of the projects have a little bit of connection, at least with AI. And as you know, AI is a hot topic. It's getting more popular each year. So I believe people who are interested in AI should definitely come here and do an internship.
What would you recommend to future interns to get the most out of their internship?
I believe the most important thing is basically being in a project that you're interested in, because if you're not interested, the work will be hard for you. But if you like the project, then it's going to be a fun experience for you for sure.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.